From the skies, we capture the development of the West Gonja 24-hour economy market at Damongo. The site has been cleared and preparations are underway for this important commercial project. The market is expected to create a vibrant trading environment where farmers, traders, and businesses can operate more efficiently. This initiative will provide better opportunities for farmers to sell their produce, reduce post-harvest losses, support local businesses, and strengthen economic activities in Damongo and the wider Savannah region. As development continues, the 24-hour market represents a new step towards improving trade, employment, and sustainable growth in the community.